My name is Cody Snyder. I'm a lead lineman here at Denton Municipal Electric, and today we are going to be hanging Christmas decorations on the square.
We have not had new lights in 31 years, so we're excited to have new decorations going on our decorative light poles in downtown and a few streets beyond.
We're installing these snowflake lights that are LED lights that will hopefully be much brighter than our old decorations, and then also there'll be garland around the light poles throughout downtown.
So this is very different than what we normally do. Normally we're working on pole lines, changing out transformers, and maintaining power to everyone in the city. So this is a nice little break from what we normally do day to day. It's really fun for the guys to get out and do something different.
And we also are very grateful to our Denton Municipal Electric staff and crew because they take a lot of time out of their regular schedule to help us out and get these wreaths in the right places and lit so they'll look bright and shiny. And we just want to say thank you to them. Holiday lighting will start December 2nd. They'll light the tree on the square. But every night through the month of December, the lights will be on in downtown. It's going to be a great new look for holiday lighting.